Hi friends, welcome in this class of जिजाऊ ज्ञानतीर्थ विद्यालय पाथरी रोड परभणी. Friends, today we have to see the science of standard 5th. In this book we are in the 8th chapter. In this 8th chapter, up to the last lecture, we have seen the information about different public facilities and the information about sample poster. So, the name of chapter is Public Services and Our School and My School. Public Facilities and My School. So, in this chapter, next point we have to see today, that is the role of the community in the development of a school. Okay, community plays an important role to development of a school, because school is a public facility. All public use this facility. So, with the small coordination or small cooperation, small support of all the peoples that use this public facility, with the help of that peoples, the development of a school is also happen. And in a day-to-day life we have seen the different examples in a different area of Maharashtra, different villages. The peoples from that villages come together, and with the help of the coordination of that peoples, the development of a school is happen. So, good quality education is provided by that school to all the students that are in the they are from that village, with the help of public or the villagers. See friends, many peoples and institutions help to set up a school. Before some year, there are some places there is no education facilities available. So at such a places, some institution helps to set up school at that point. Many parents, past students, writers, artists, sports persons, scientists and industrialists lend a hand in the growth of the school, because before some time they are also the part of that school, and the role in their good life of their school is also. So, they are support to the school. A school is given assistance in the construction of classrooms, libraries, laboratories and procurement of sport equipments by various sections of society. So, some peoples provide good quality classrooms to the school and library, that is a fulfilled of number of thousands of books. After that, the laboratory with good equipments like telescope, microscope, and such type of library is provided, so the students learn more and more information with the help of this apparatus. Okay, and procurement of sport equipments of various sections of society. Some peoples are from the sport background, they provide the apparatus or equipment of different sport like cricket, football, kabaddi, kho-kho, running or other different sports, and the students that is in that school, they like to play different games, but there is a barrier of apparatus. So this, with the use of these equipments, these students play that game, and some students are making full future with the help of that small starting also. So this is most important to develop or in the development of school. The community has a role in the development of a school. The community has a role in the development of a school, because the basic block is that community, and with the help of or the cooperation from that community, the school development is happen fast or as early as possible. So friends, and when one school is developed, the scholar students produce over there, and their future is so bright. So the future of that village and all the public or villagers is also bright. So friends, this is the starting, or this is the basic to develop all the, and with the help of one another cooperation, development is possible. There is not a overload on anyone. So with the help of one another cooperation, development is happen. So friend, this is the most important thing, and when this is happen, the students in that school is also satisfied with all the services. So friend, this is information and role of the community in the development of a school. The next information you have to see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.